Hey everyone, it's ADS Diecast. Well, today we're going to be looking at Greenlight. This particular set that we're going to look at is Hollywood. Been around forever. This is actually series 33. I don't even know what they're on now. This is pretty new. I think they're on 34, 35 now. Doesn't matter. Ridiculous. There's a lot. I basically just pulled out a full set from my storage over in the corner there. Just a random set, and I just pulled out these two cars, and apparently we're doing Hollywood. This set's kind of there's some alright ones in here, some new castings or relatively new castings. Hollywood is good. It's just there's some kind of hit and miss stuff. But we'll get into it here. We don't want a super long video like some of the other ones have been. But we'll just get right started here. And I actually haven't unboxed. I've been hoarding all these Greenlight, and I haven't opened up any Greenlight in a while. It's kind of a shame because I miss unboxing some Greenlight. It's been a little while here, so you're just gonna tough it out here, and you're gonna suffer through the agony of Greenlight packaging. Wow, whew, that car stinks. I know it sounds strange to say, but like overwhelming power of the smell of the paint that came off of that when I opened it. So let's take a look here. I think we got a couple little issues. So actually, you know what? I got a microfiber right down here. Let me just take a really quick wipe because this will hide, or this will show a lot of the grease and oil and stuff you don't like, right? As we all know, Greenlight cars can be a little bit oily. A pretty solid roller. Paint is in excellent condition, other than a couple little minor scratches that like debris. I might actually be able to get that out with some spray wax. The only thing is here is the wheel is missing a little bit of chrome. And I probably will, I won't on this video, but I probably will rotate the white walls to the other side because they're not great. But other than that, so we're going to take a look at that. I'll actually see if I can get this camera a little bit down here. Other than that, this thing's fantastic. Just a basic little charger. Not bad, not bad. Should have actually said what it was. John Wick. It was the, what the heck was it here? I just forgot it. It was the 68 charger. See if we can get the hood open here. Oh, that's interesting. It's green and orange. Don't know what that represents. I'm sure it means something. Whatever V8 came with this. Let's see if we can read the number. 14,827. Yeah, they do make a lot of these Hollywood cars. I just saw another John Wick. This is the checkered taxi. They made a million of this now. I do really like the card art that they do for Hollywood. If you were a carded collector, these would look really cool all together. Trying not to cut myself with this razor blade. Yeah, they made a million of this checkered taxi cab. Fantastic casting. It's a solid build, but what are you really supposed to do with it, right? It's nothing super fancy. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe here. And then we'll give it a quick check over. Ooh. Well, if it's not broken, it is now. Ooh, good roller. Yeah, this one's usually pretty good. We do have some excess glue that I can probably wiggle there and get off. But I'm really not that worried about it. Other than that, just a basic taxi. I mean, the tires look great. Good roller. Other than the glue on top, really, that doesn't bother me too much. And you have, which I know it's really difficult to tell, but you do have really good engine detail. And the hood shut's nice. Got a good amount of weight to it. It's nice to switch it up from the Matchbox, having more premium diecast. Don't quite see it there. I think it's on the top, but I can't really tell. Very difficult to read. Here, there's some like marking. Like the glass almost got busted out, but It only shows in certain reflections. Honestly, I don't care enough. We got, what do we got? 90210, the 88 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Never really watched that show that much. I don't even know if I've ever seen it, to be completely honest. I don't really watch a lot of TV, to be completely honest. Mostly YouTube. A lot of YouTube watching car. Did something just fall off this? No. Mostly watching car YouTubers. Oh, there we go. Good roller. I didn't even wipe this one down. So this is gray. It's this deep gray with a nice metallic. Oh, that's really nice. The gold. Look at that. I think those are Cali plates. Very basic. Nothing too crazy. Like that even the Jeep is in gold. And no body lean or anything like that. Got all the suspension there in plastic. 19570, I think. Just looking at the interior there. I don't think the hood opens on this one now. But you know, basic stock Jeep, that is really nice actually. What's next? I actually looked at this case in a long time, but I don't remember when this came out. This set. We got a 73 Monte Carlo from Drive in a flat gray, I guess you want to call it, silver. Well, more gray, I guess. I think this came out a little while ago. I bought this from a Diecast store local to me. They're trying to supply every case that comes out to me or whatever they order, so I get one of everything. Man, some of these cars stink. I know it sounds ridiculous to say, but like when you open it, you just get punched. Just trying to fix the tire a little bit. Came off a little bit here. Not a big deal. Ooh, we did have a bit of an issue with this one. Honestly, not that big of a deal for me. Bit of a wonky tire on this one. Bet you I can fix it though. That's pretty good. So we're looking good here. It's matte gray paint. Doesn't appear to have any body lean. Looks good. Got the tampos there. You have very nice exhaust tips. They're separate pieces. Like that. Painted details in the back. A little bit lackluster there. But this car wasn't super extravagant in real life anyways. Let's see if I can get this hood open. Oh, it does open. It does open nice. Big engine bay here with an orange motor, which I know is very difficult to see, but I like that. They painted it all black in there. Ooh, snap shut. Okay, so here's the issue. Yeah, you see that? So I don't know if I can really fix that. Honestly, I'm not worried about it. Everything else is pretty good on it, and really, unless you're looking at it top down, I can't really tell that much. So I don't really care too much. It's not really worth me paying $8 or $9, whatever it is, for a new car. Actually, I'm gonna save that one for last. Yeah, I'm gonna save that one last. Another one from Drive. We got a 92 Crown Vic Classic. Nothing wrong with that. Doesn't love Crown Vics. A million of this casting. Some of the early ones are extremely difficult to get. I'm still hunting from Series 1 Hot Pursuit. And that I might be chasing forever because that's a really expensive set to get. I am gonna wipe this one because it's black. It'll show a lot of crud. Let's give her a quick wipe. Okay, let's take a look. Test it. Does it roll? A little bit wonky wheels. But you fill it with that enough. She'll be straight, no problem. So paint is in pretty good shape. Oh man, look at how clean that back window is. It's pretty clear. Just smudging on the front. Everything else looks pretty good though. Yeah, the wheels look good, other than the little wonky wheel. Classic. And the light bar looks good. That looks really clean. Hood should open on this one. These ones are tight. I know they're a bit tricky to get open, but when they open, they're nice. So they have a gloss black. Oh, and it's missing everything from the engine. Huh. I have never seen that before. Is it in the package? Am I blind? Huh. Huh. I have never seen that before. You can't really tell that. There's a hole right there and a hole on top. Huh. Good thing I don't open the engine bay. Interesting. Weird. 6322. I've never seen that before, but all right, I guess. First time for everything. Last one is the Ace Ventura 83 Crown Victoria in green and white. Ace Ventura being one of my favorite movies of all time. Came out the year I was born, I believe. So that's how young I am. Can we get a perfect car here? That would be nice. I will wipe this one down as well, just real quick. Now this is the one I want to be nice. Ooh, solid roller. Let's go. Nice. No metallic, but that's okay. A little bit of paint blemishes there, but super minor. It's only under this light. The hood looks great. Yeah, even the chrome centering on the Ford looks good. Do a bumper pull test. Tight. That's a good looking car right there. A little bit off center for light, but I'm not that particular. I could care less. That's pretty dang good if you ask me. The interior is at least there. Let's see what number we got. 15,000, I think it is. 389. So there you have it. Pretty short video compared to what I've been doing recently. A lot shorter actually. So there you have it. Series 33 of Greenlight Hollywood. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I think I got like 8 or 9 more cases. I got 3 or 4 more on order. It's crazy. I got lots of stuff. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more.